This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation. And if you have the push button start, not like me, the simple key, metal key ignition, but the push button start, you may have a warning message telling you that you should use transmitter pocket to start. So what is transmitter pocket and why should you use it? Because in this key fob, you probably have a bad battery. I have a separate video about how to change the battery in this fob. It's easily done without any professional help, and you just need one battery for $2 or $3 you can buy in any supermarket. But if you don't have a supermarket near you, you can use the transmitter pocket. Transmitter pocket is located here. I don't have it, it's just a plastic panel here. But if you have the push button start, you will have the opportunity to take out this plastic lid, and there will be the transmitter. So you can use this metal part of the fob to insert in that pocket. Or alternatively, you can just put your transmitter here and it will communicate with the immobilizer of your car. It will still communicate even if it doesn't have any battery in it. Using RFID technology, it will let you start the car. So when you put it here, just start your car like you would normally start it and it will work. But of course, the best idea would be to replace the battery in this key fob and keep using your car like you've always done.